if you are feeling low because of what all is happening to you, or if you are feeling bothered because of a person, just share it and get over with it. To improve my mood, I can categorize this into three main areas. One is connect more with your loved ones. Second, connect more with yourself. And third is express gratitude. When I am saying connect more with your loved one, I am referring to share more. Whenever you are feeling low, share it with others. तो like they say, खुशियाँ बांटने से बढ़ती हैं और दुख बांटने से कम होते हैं. So our happiness increases with sharing and our sorrows reduce by sharing. So sharing definitely has a magical effect. Share with your spouse, your parents or your friends, whoever you are comfortable with. So this is a very important thing that I have learned in this journey, because it was difficult for me also. I used to keep those negative emotions within me, but I noticed that sharing and letting it out used to really help me. Second, connect more with yourself. So connecting more with ourselves is something which has profound healing effect. I strongly advise that we should make it a habit. Yes, something like going for a walk in nature, spending time with your hobbies. If someone likes cooking, please cook. If you like reading, dancing, doing some painting, do that. Whatever your hobby is, or you write a journal. So what worked for me was definitely doing my routine, morning routine and evening routine, and also writing the journal. So I just used to vomit whatever was going in my mind on my diary, and I used to feel lighter. So this is a practice which I am still doing every night before sleeping. So I write not what all I have done during the day, but what I felt, and it feels really light, and I'm able to sleep very peacefully with that. And there is a saying that feel them to heal them. It's very important. We say that we should not feel our negative emotion. That definitely we should not think negative, we should think positive. However, if you are having a negative emotion, it is extremely important to acknowledge it. If I'm angry, I need to observe that yes, I am getting angry. I should acknowledge it so that I can take the right action. Similarly, you need to be conscious. Talk more with yourself, be more aware of what is going inside you. It's really healing. And the last one, express gratitude. Make it a practice daily to express gratitude towards one unique thing which happened in your life on that particular day. Even if you feel that there is only one thing that is good, that is something good happening in my life, rest everything is negative, still focus on that one positive thing with all your might. Remember, energy flows where your attention goes. If you want good energy to flow in your life and in the life of your entire family, you need to focus on what's good happening in your life. Let the negative die a sad death by you giving them a royal ignore, give them zero importance or attention. Not that I have perfected it, but definitely I am getting better day by day.
Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos on cancer care.